All right, took a little advantage of the break in the rain this morning and went out with my wife and got some okra and peppers and tomatoes in the ground. Gardeners, start your engines. This may not be the most pleasant day to plant, though, because of that rain. Although I do believe we're going to be seeing a bit of a lull, at least into the early afternoon. You can see on the MaxTrack there's still quite a bit of rain hanging around. Showers a little more numerous as you drop out into our eastern Kentucky counties there, going down through Boonville. And it has been fairly light. I mean, you're measuring the amounts in hundredths to maybe a tenth of an inch or two. Top end really is a tenth of an inch. Most of the Kentucky Mesonet sites have been showing the same, so just enough to keep everything wet. Now, there is a more substantial wave running the Tennessee border back into western Kentucky, so you see how that moisture is kind of thinning out. I do think it won't completely go away, but we'll see a little bit of a break in the action and then see a heftier round coming in, and a lot of that could track across our southern counties today. Back to the west is where the severe storm threat is for today. Look at that. They have an enhanced risk for tornadic supercells, damaging wind and hail, Oklahoma, parts of northern, northwestern Texas there. And then it does move east tomorrow, so it goes from northern Indiana, that slight risk, down to just around Wichita. By the time it gets to us, there'll be a cold front settling south and trying to stall out Saturday. The severe threat will be much lower to pretty much non-existent, but something we'll watch into the weekend. But in the short term, here comes the reason everybody's going to be smiling, and it's not that rain along that boundary. That's the reason we're seeing that enhanced precipitation down across the Tennessee border. It's a warm front lifting north. That warm front tomorrow will be up into Indiana and Ohio, and that means an end to all this cold, nasty weather that we've been dealing with. There will be a chance for showers and thunder showers into the weekend, especially as that cold front starts to settle south Saturday, but we should see highs just soaring. So, we're going to have some active weather to deal with Friday and into Saturday, but look out. Speaking of active weather, it's the time of the year you start to turn your attention down to the tropics, areas of potential development there. The one especially in towards the Bahamas, northeast of Cuba there, could form something over the next 5 days. National Hurricane Center, tropical or subtropical, is keeping an eye on it. So we'll keep you up to speed on that. If it forms, it would stay out to sea. Bluegrass Airport, our live weather bug camera downtown. The temperatures, boy, it is miserable. It's in the upper 40s and raining. I do think as that break in the rain hits, we'll get into the 50s. Probably just not all that far. But here's the good news. The departure from normal. You can see temperatures warming. We're going to be running anywhere from about 5 to 10 degrees above normal starting tomorrow, but maxing out this weekend as this ridge sets up southeast. And here you can see the temperature just taking off. And then holding. It'll be a lasting warm-up that goes into next week. And the 6 to 10-day temperature outlook agrees. You can see that bullseye of a 70% chance for above normal temperatures back west. We're running above normal next week as well, so good news. Just not today. Scattered showers, cloudy and cool, some heavier rain down toward the Tennessee border, maybe a rumble of thunder. Mostly cloudy. Look at the overnight low. We only dropped to the low 50s, and tomorrow we hit the upper 70s with a little more sunshine, a little lower end chance for a few showers and storms. That storm chance rises this weekend as the temperatures do the same.